The kitchen at Windcreek is a state-of-the-art culinary studio that offers cooking classes. It is such a unique and fun adventure and starts at only $59 per person, which we found to be an awesome value. Not only did we have lunch after we cooked, and it was a very delicious lunch, but we also took back with us a ton of leftovers. The menu changes weekly, and I have not seen a menu that isn't absolutely fantastic looking. Our menu consisted of a 9-ounce ribeye with sauteed mushrooms and onions, cornbread stuffing with oysters, which I did leave off the oysters, fancy green beans, I can't remember the name of them, but they had garlic and bacon, and peach cobbler for dessert. Chef Tom was our teacher and was so much fun. Some of the folks that took the class with us had taken over 100 classes, which I think speaks volumes about how great this class is. If you have done some really cool adventures at a casino, drop that in the comments below so we can share some of those really cool experiences. We're making ribeye, and we're making dressing and green beans with a fancy bacon and peach cobbler.
Take my knife and I'm gonna make my cut on the bottom of that onion. Not gonna go all the way to the end.
We can see the world through open eyes and savor all the time before it flies. And every time you wake up,
I just realized I haven't been using enough butter in my life.
your name, come join the game. Well, that's life. Take what comes along the way. That's love. Let it grow stronger every day. There's joy as the days go passing by. There's hope, a better life for you and I. We'll take our dreams and fly.
All I want you to do now, that dressing is actually, you said it's good. Now, I want you to put your oysters in yet. Well, go ahead and take your spoon here. Go ahead and get out of the taste.
Like living life in peace and harmony. So follow where the road will lead you. Hand in hand, we'll make our dreams come true. Enjoy the view. Oh, that's life. Take what comes along the way. That's love. Let it grow stronger every day. There's joy as the days go passing by. There's hope, a better life for you and I. We'll take our dreams and fly. Together we can try. That's life.
I'll put some oil in the cast irons here. Once I put the oil in the cast irons, you can go ahead and you can toss that beef on there.
Steak. Delicious. Tasty. Yummy. Sweet. Delicious. Spicy.
Oh, it was spectacular. Compliments to the chef. She's beautiful too.
If you get the chance at Windcreek to do the whole cooking class, do it for sure. It was great.
Definitely.
This is the peach cobbler that we had at our cooking class today. Cody, you're just a mold. And what did you just say about it?
It's The best peach cobbler I've ever had in my entire life. I mean, this is melted ice cream that's just been on it, and the crust has still got a little bit of crispiness to it. And it's been in there for like 4 hours. It's incredible.
Who was the chef that made it?
Tom.
They have a culinary adventure, which is really cool, which we have another video to show you that. And in the culinary adventure, you didn't have to do that.
It wasn't really in the film.
Yes, it was. I'm trying to get the thing to... They have a... Would you make up your mind? No.